morning, Pilipinas! So we're here at Naiya 3 with my cousin for the first time. It's our international travel. And it's her first time na magta-try ng lounge. So lalaman muna kami sa Marhaba Lounge. Meron pa kaming 2 hours para lumamon. Bagal, busy. Magkasama kami sa Thailand. So ngayon, solo kaming dalawa. Hindi kami grupo. At hindi siya nahirapan sa immigration. Ayun na nakakatuwa. So, after 20 years, makakabalik na siya ng Japan. And we're here at Marhaba Lounge. Alright, so nandito tayo sa loob ng lounge. So ayun yung mga pastries or sandwiches, may mga alak. So ito ang mga main viands at ang ating favorite na arroz caldo. So ito nga pala yung bathroom. May shower area dyan. Last time naligo ako dyan ng flight ko to Dubai kasi nag-jeep lang ako papunta sa airport. So yan yung toilet. So, naka-separate dyan yung isa pa. So, yun nga pala yung aking passport reader. So, ito na ang aking favorite arroz caldo or lugaw. So, we have here yellow rice or java rice. So, ito yung ulam. Chicken and vegetable and may pasta. Beef bolognese. So yan, kumain na kami ng lugaw, nakadalawa ako, and trinayin din namin yung other viands and vodka, wine at 5 in the morning. So the sun is up at malapit na ang aming boarding. So yan, dun sa lounge kitang-kita mo yung runway. So hindi naman masyadong puno yung lounge. So yan, picture taking, palabas na kami. Nagpakabusog kami ng sobra sa Marhaba Lounge at it's boarding time, so we're going to gate 107 na kanina ay 109. So yan, we're going to board and see you Tokyo, Japan in 4 hours. Siyempre tutulog lang kami sa plane. So yun na nga, punta kami sa boarding gate sa pinakadulo. So ayun ako, nag-final call na si Narita kasi lumipat nga ng gate from 109 to 107. 110 pa lang, so tatlo pa. Layo. So pasensya na, ina yung plane. Diyos ko, nasa dulo ng daigdig kami prenesto. Final call na. Halika na, Miriam, bilisan mo. At final call na. Gagalit na si Kuya. Bound for Narita. So ayan na, pila pala diba? So ayun, katatapos lang i-push back yung plane. So nakapila na kami para dun sa parang right position for the taxiing and take off. Ready for takeoff. Bye bye, Manila. Tayo na nga po, tayo po ay lumilipad na sa himpapawid sakay ng Cebu Pacific Air. So, ayan po Metro Manila at ang Manila Bay. So our flight time is like 4 hours and we'll be landing in Narita International Airport. So tulugan time na dahil puyat kami, all the busog. So kailangan na matulog. So see you later in Japan. Enjoy the view. tayo ay nasa airspace na ng Japan. So, ayan yung aeroplano Iloa. And we're almost there.
stations. Everyone, Cebu Pacific here welcomes you to Narita International Airport here in Narita, Japan. Local time now is 40 minutes past the hour of 11 in the morning. Again, there's a 1-hour time difference between Manila Philippines and Narita, Japan. The ground temperature is reported to be at 22 degrees Celsius. On behalf of your flight and crew, headed by Captain Siegfried Go with First Officer Paulo Laluna together with your cabin crew team, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying in Cebu Pacific. We ask you to keep your area clean and tidy, kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring these with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose these in the bin be provided near the exits. Please seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. In a short while, your cabin crew will be standing up to do a safety-related procedure. Please remain seated. And as a safety precaution, please wait for the fasten seatbelt signs to be switched off before standing up to get your bags from the overhead bins. Thank you.
Tadaima! Welcome back to Japan! And that's our plane earlier. Let's go! Tayo sa locator. So yan! Tadaima! So yan, tapos na kami sa QR code. Papunta na kami sa immigration. Mahabang lakaran. Buti na lang may locator. Buti ng buhok ko. Wala pang ligo. Bago lang siguro tong area na to, or ngayon ko lang talaga siya nakita. Diba? Ang cute ng graffiti wall ng Pokemon dito sa Narita. To welcome everybody in Japan. So dahil nga may kasama ko ngayon, hindi ako solo travel. Meron tayong solo picture ngayon dito. At yung kanina doon sa Welcome sa Japan, yung pagbaba namin galing sa aeroplano. First time yun, ilang beses na ako nakarating dito. And we are done with the immigrations. We're getting our things at number 2. Bravo number 2. Ayun na, nakahelera na yung bagahe namin. Helera na. Manila. We officially arrived in Tokyo or in Narita. So, nandito na kami sa arrival area. Tapos na kami sa immigration, sa baggage, sa custom. So, mag-aantay pa kami dito ng oras bago kami umuwi. So, we have like mga 6 hours pa natatambay sa airport or we're planning to go to Ueno. Bahala na. So, this is my first meal since arriving in Narita. Gutom na gutom na. We're in Yoshinoya. So, dahil napakaraming oras na aming paghihintay bago kami umuwi, so, in-explore ko muna yung mga bagong area dito sa Narita Terminal. So, meron dito Narita Anime Road. So, yan, nakita nyo si Detective Conan, kanina si Evangelion. Tapos yung iba pang mga sikat na anime series ng Japan, syempre. So, yan, nakakatuwa. Enjoy lang yan. Handa ka, Detective Conan. Yan. So, hindi tayo makapag-picture na maayos. Siyempre, nag-iisa lang tayo. Hindi ko na sinama yung pinsa ko kasi busy din sa cellphone niya. Nag-charge. Sa may charging station. So, ayan, Evangelion. Ayan. Itong anime ito, parang hindi ako masyadong familiar. Tapos, meron ditong ganito, pasulat-sulat ng Anes.
So, that's it.
So, nagsulat din tayo for souvenir. Libre naman eh. It's time to go home. It's home. We're here at Misato Chuo after 3 train rides. So again, from the airport, Narita Sky Access, then we transferred to JR Line and the Tsukuba Express. So, ito yung favorite kong grocery na binibila ko ng kamote. Ayun, bumili na ako agad ng kamote. At kinain ko na yung kamote. Or patatas rather. So, yan. Mamaya, mga after 30 minutes, mag-sale na siya. Kaso, busog na ako. Kung inantay ko yung 30 minutes, naka 50% off na ako dun sa patatas. So, yan. Na-miss ko yung surrounding. Ako naglalakad-lakad. last year. And it's already 6:30 and maliwanag pa.